up, people? I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly. As y'all can see, we're making that move on up to the $21,000 range I previously mentioned. And I also said if we break 21,000, there will be a recovery of this candlestick into that one, which confirms we'll be coming up to this candlestick up. That'll confirm uptrend, but I also mentioned that I don't believe we're going to break $21,000. I told y'all that could come up all the way to $20,995 and then reject us and still go down, because that's what the overall chart is showing. And I gave y'all that warning before they did it, but they're making this crazy move. Anyways, this is the previous blue line I had. And like I always tell y'all, market maker love doing things by threes. Like I told y'all, I looked at 1 hit, 2 hits. This is the third, which is technically the first jump. So we see we broke up out the third hit. That's the first jump. This is the second jump. We're going to level out, and we're going to make the third jump, which will be around this general range I already mentioned. And then we're going to get a crazy rejection that's going to break through this line right here. It may slow down a little bit, but once it hit 19,000, 19.2 basically, I mean, we're going to start flying. But I told y'all at 18.5 will be the beginning of that candlestick to 14,000. That's going to be the large candlestick y'all really don't want to be involved in. And like I say, mark it on your chart and watch this play out. So I hit y'all on the daily. As y'all can see, we came through up here. And this is also the third time we're hitting this 50 EMA on the daily. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times we're breaking through. But it can easily be a rejection just like this. And this is what I'm talking about. It's going to be a move just like this right here, right? Boom. And it's going to be a nasty candlestick. It's going to come down here to the general range around 19,000, 19.2, maybe slightly below to break through that support. I'm not giving that support. Yeah, that support line. And then afterwards, we're going to come around to 18.5. And then, like I say, that's when it's going to free fall. And on the third chart, you're hitting the EMA, 20 EMA for the third time also. Take that off. Look, like I told y'all before, boom. After that, there's nothing else they can possibly do to drag this on. Literally. And that's when we're going to get this drop all the way down to $10,000. Quick recovery up to 14,000. Get a rejection. Slide this over. We're going to $10,000 to complete this head and shoulder formation we have right here. Textbook, basically. You know what I mean? That's how it is, even on the smaller time frames, back to where it started. And you see this green line, which is 14,000. You see the rejection right there. You see the rejection right there. That is how I know we'll be rejected again. And we will come down here to recover this candlestick right here. It'll be a candlestick just like these. I'll show you in a bigger time frame. It'll look much better. So I'm gonna hit you on the monthly. Boom, that candlestick I was just talking about is this one right here. And take the drawing off. You see that wick? It is crazy. This is what I mean by a quick recovery. The last drop will look just like this. This is what Bitcoin do. You can look on the small time frames too. All the W's look just like this. The right side always drops all the way down to recover these candlesticks. And then it comes right back up and continue on. So the final drop will look like that. The $5,000 drop. But I believe we can still finish in this month. We could still finish at 10,000 and start a recovery next month. And that last crash all the way down to $5,000 in a quick recovery. That's what I believe is going to happen. And it has to do it pretty fast, because they'll basically invalidate this pattern. Because if it don't close above $10,000 after the $5,000 within that month, it'll invalidate it. But clearly they've been holding this pattern. You know what I'm saying? Since 2017, I doubt they'll break it. You feel me? But anyways, that's what it looked like. Mark this down on your charts. Watch it play out. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.